Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn daily use English sentences. Let's start the new lesson. Daily use English sentences. तुमने गलत लिखा. You wrote wrong. You wrote wrong. मैंने जल्दबाजी में लिखा. I wrote in haste. I wrote in haste. मैंने कब झूठ बोला. When did I lie? When did I lie? मैंने कब किया. When did I do? When did I do? मैंने कब कहा. When did I say? When did I say? तुमने कब सुना. When did you hear? When did you hear? खेलने का अपना ही मज़ा है. Playing has its own fun. Playing has its own fun. एक शर्त है. There is a condition. There is a condition. Condition mean शर्त. वो कहाँ होगा. Where will he be? Where will he be? कल बारिश होगी. It will rain tomorrow. It will rain tomorrow. क्या होगा. What will happen? What will happen? मेरा क्या होगा. What will become of me? What will become of me? चलो बाहर चलते हैं. Let's go out. Let's go out. मेरा बाहर जाने का मूड नहीं है. I am in no mood to go out. I am in no mood to go out. वो मेरा दूर का रिश्तेदार है. He is my distant relative. He is my distant relative. वो मेरा करीबी रिश्तेदार है. He is my close relative. He is my close relative. Relative mean रिश्तेदार. सबके मसले होते हैं. Everyone has problems. Everyone has problems. तुम्हें सिर्फ पैसों की परवाह है. All you care about is money. All you care about is money. मुझे उसकी भी ज़रूरत है. I need this too. I need this too. मुझे ये भी चाहिए. I want this too. I want this too. तुम इंग्लिश बोलने में अच्छे हो. You are good at speaking English. You are good at speaking English. तुम इंग्लिश बोलने में बुरे हो. You are bad at speaking English. You are bad at speaking English. बचपन से आज तक. From childhood to this day. From childhood to this day. मेरे पास क्या बचा है. What do I have left? What do I have left? मैं सारा दिन काम करता हूँ. I work all day. मैं सारा दिन काम करता हूँ. I work all day. मैं हर वक्त काम करता हूँ. I work all the time. मैं हर वक्त काम करता हूँ. I work all the time. मैं सारी रात काम करता हूँ. I work all night. मैं सारी रात काम करता हूँ. I work all night. मैं दिन रात काम करता हूँ. I work day and night. I work day and night. मैं दिन रात काम करता हूँ. उसका पेट खराब है. His stomach is upset. उसका पेट खराब है. His stomach is upset. मेरी घड़ी खराब है. My watch is out of order. मेरी घड़ी खराब है. My watch is out of order. उसका दिमाग खराब है. He is out of his mind. उसका दिमाग खराब है. He is out of his mind. उसकी नीयत खराब है. He has bad intentions. उसकी नीयत खराब है. He has bad intentions. Intentions mean नीयत. मैं रोया. I cried. मैं रोया. I cried. मैं बैठा. I sat. मैं बैठा. I sat. मैंने देखा. I saw. मैंने देखा. I saw. मैंने सोचा. I thought. मैंने सोचा. I thought. मैं सोच रहा हूँगा. I will be thinking. मैं सोच रहा हूँगा. I will be thinking. वो खेल रहा होगा. He will be playing. वो खेल रहा होगा. He will be playing. वो जा रहा होगा. He will be going. वो जा रहा होगा. he will be going. बारिश हो रही होगी, it will be raining. बारिश हो रही होगी, it will be raining. मैं सोच रहा था, I was thinking. मैं सोच रहा था, I was thinking. हम खेल रहे थे, we were playing. हम खेल रहे थे, we were playing. वो जा रहा था, he was going. वो जा रहा था, he was going. तुम हंस रहे थे, you were laughing. तुम हंस रहे थे, you were laughing. वो खेल चुका होगा, he will have played. वो खेल चुका होगा, he will have played. वो जा चुका होगा, he will have gone. वो जा चुका होगा, he will have gone. वो कर चुका होगा, he will have done. वो कर चुका होगा, he will have done. वो बता चुका होगा, he will have told. वो बता चुका होगा, he will have told. मैं जा चुका था, I had gone. मैं जा चुका था, I had gone. मैं कर चुका था, I had done. मैं कर चुका था, I had done. हम मिल चुके थे, we had met. हम मिल चुके थे, we had met. मैं समझ चुका था, I had understood. मैं समझ चुका था, I had understood. मैं जाता हूँ, I go. मैं जाता हूँ, I go. मैं खेलता हूँ, I play. मैं खेलता हूँ, I play. तुम हंसते हो, you laugh. तुम हंसते हो, you laugh. मैं सोचता हूँ, I think. मैं सोचता हूँ, I think. मैं जाऊँगा, I will go. मैं जाऊँगा, I will go. वो आएगा, he will come. वो आएगा, he will come. मैं कुछ करूँगा, I will do something. मैं कुछ करूँगा, I will do something. हम खेलेंगे, we will play. हम खेलेंगे, we will play. वो जा चुका है, he has gone. वो जा चुका है, he has gone. हम उससे मिल चुका हूँ, I have met him. मैं उससे मिल चुका हूँ, I have met him. मैं कर चुका हूँ, I have done. मैं कर चुका हूँ, I have done. मैं बोल चुका हूँ, I have forgotten. मैं बोल चुका हूँ, I have forgotten. Thanks for watching, viewers. Please like and comment my video and subscribe my YouTube channel.